So uyabuza uthini Sibola ukuthi sexual orientation yami ithini, it shouldn't matter. Okusalayo ngiyinsizwa
lutho labona ke ngifuna ukuthi lento singayiluli isikhathi eside ngimile ekuthenini akukho umuntu engimchazile uthandana indoda ethanda indoda ezoqhubeka yenze ivulo lomlozo ngoba amaZulu abantu abasensitive sonke singamazulu and man ngabe ungalalelwa leyo nto leyo izogcina iphume esandleni kanti abafowethu siyabathanda ngayo yonke indlela siyacela amabomshi njengoba namanje sidebate gays and lesbian instead of debating the issue of imvunulo lembizi ibizwa ngemvunulo kodwa manje sidebate thina ukuthi consequences kweza ngale kanjani thina siyini sinamalungelo angakanani kukhohlwa umongo ukuthi
it's a constitution ku section 211 ithi izinto zama customary law must always be recognized noma ngabe kuthiwa kwenzekani noma ngabe kuyiphi inkantolo noma ngabe kuthiwa yikuphi. That means sinawo umlenze negunya lokuthi sidonse lento kaNgizwe simlekelele lento ayiraisile asingathe kaNgizwe akusiye echunu uchunu uphakamisa into that is a concern for a particular nation, but how about sifake siyenze umbrella yaseMzantsi Africa because to be honest with you ayikho into ebhalwe phansi ukuthi umuntu ungakwazi ukugqoka ibheshu. Okwamanje isashiwo ngoba uZulu unaleyo mgomo kodwa ayikho emthethweni sisekelo.
Hey, maybe it's time we evolve and we start documenting. A lot has been mentioned. Equality has been mentioned. Ngaphi ichunu lithi no mina ngithi iregalia ayihlonishwa. Abanye bathi no, but there's a lot of hate speech in the delivery of the things that he said. Ngizothatha about 3 to 4 questions from the crowd and then go back nginyusele kunina phezulu. Ngizoqala la mhlawumbe uzethula ukuthi ubani and then I'll go around and take the other questions.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguSamkewa Shelebe. Most people know me as Embellish. Felix, it's LGBTQIA, ubalulekile la A plus because une meaning it's others. So, mina, my only worry and my only concern about this whole thing was the fact that ubabungizwe kwakufanele asifundise angaqhamuke sesiatheka. Kwakufanele asifundise ukuthi no kwenzekile but akufanele kwenzeke kanje kwena Samke osazoshada enza kanje because imvunulo le esuke ifakwe lapha yabantu abakanje kaZulu. That's how I feel. Kwakufanele because une platform eningi what variety of people abamlandelayo kwakufanele yena abachazela angaqhamuki ese-attack kwakufanele abachazela abantu ukuthi ayike leya i-wrong into ihamba kanje kolandelayo azibe kanje angathiwa pack your things and go guys come on sonke sama South Africans.
Ngiyabingelela uRachel Ntombela from eMgungundlovu Civil Society Deputy Chair. Babungizwe, it's not about what you say, it's about how you say it. Angazi ngisho kanjani ngesiZulu. Umuntu uyamakha ubuntu kukhuluma. I run an organization called Ubuntu Psychology and Philosophy. Umuntu uyamakha umbhidlizi babungizwe. Abantwana bethu laba abafowethu odade bethu kwenye inkathi into sike sibalekele kanti mhlawumbe isazovuka ekhaya ukhulume kahle lapho advocate methi sisazozala noma sizele asazi lesihlahla esisichumiselayo ukuthi sizozala nkomoni. Ngiphinde ngibe umakhosi ngifuna nje uku-educate kancane kuyenzeka umuntu aza akhulelwe ichitheke ingane hlasimbe leyo ngane kade izoba umfana mesaphinda lamanise masinya hlasimbe isimo sokuhlamluleka noma sokugezeka senzekanga. Umphefumulo i-physics isho njalo ithi a source of energy does not die. Ngiyaphi nalenkulumo ukuthi lo mphefumulo awuphelile usakhona ufika uvuke kulo yamzimba lo osuphinde wahluma ngaphakathi njengoba uvukile lo mzimba kulo mphefumulo usuvukile kulo mzimba ongaphakathi lo muntu mesephuma uzophuma athi mina ngiwumuntu wesifazane ngokuzaleka kodwa ngizizwa ngiwumuntu wesilisa. Ngizophinde ngikulinganisele futhi ngenye into kuthiwa njengami nje mhlambe ngugogo ngokwamakhosi yes ngugogo ngangenwa ugogo nomkhulu but kunama characteristics akumina azobe masculine but ngokwe gender mhlasimbe mina ngithanda indoda ngeke ngibe kanjalo akungishintshi kulokho kodwa kunama characteristics amasculine kumina avuka ngezikhathi ezithile mhlawumbe in terms of being protective, in terms of advocacy and so on. So ngiyafisa nje ubaba ungizwe ukuthi mesidinga ukuthi simlekelele sifundise isizwe noma amaphoyint akhe ekhona siwezwa ukuthi angifuni ukugadla ngoba ngizolinganisela ngithi kuneinsizwa kaShembe ezigqoka iketi kanti siyamthanda uShembe siyalithanda uNyaza ngifuna ukucindezela inkolo ngoba ngiyayiunderstand ne process yakhona kuneziketi ezigqokwayo kaShembe Hlasimbe noma ufuna ukugugula ngizokunikeza ithuba uzothola
cha uthi mina ngisakuzwa lapho ngicela ungangeni lapho ngoba ile khonkosi besikhuluma ngayo ungayazi ukuthi ihamba ifikiphi singangeni lapho ngoba manje sikumunye umhlaba la thina omunye umhlaba and very sensitive one too yabona ngoba njengamanje mina ngabe sikhuluma ngesolution yayo yonke lento ngibona ngisenkantolo mina ngikuhlwa amacala ithethe udu abameli ngapha ngithethe udu ngapha abanye bavikela oje plus la sikhuluma sikhuluma ngemvulo kube simple forward
singaba simple kodwa ke bhuti wami muwakha indlu kuthatha isikhathi awuzofuna wena ukwakha isizwe kodwa wena uhluleka ukwakheka nawe uvuma ukuqoqeka awukhulumanga kahle into okade uyikhuluma ayikhombisa ubuntu ayikhombisa ukuphucuzeka ukuthi uyinsizwa yakwabo mekuthi izulu uyasiphila uyazenyeza uthuko baba mkhulu bakho ngiyabonga
unodumehlezi lo ngibuya lenkandla se point nelodwa lapha ukuthi ubaba uthethile olokothiwe omkhulu ezweni ekhalela into yesintu uma ubaba ekhaya ngithethisa mina ekhaya kithi mina ngizala ubaba bakhe sikhule ngomthetho manje mina ngisho aphuma la endlini yimi ubaba la ekhaya ubaba ngibheka isizathu ubaba ungikhiphela ekhaya hayi wena la ufika nefebe la endlini sithi angiyeke ifebe angili nobaba uthi baba awukhuluma kahle nami so ugovernment usibulele ukuthi kube nje ngoba abantu manje abanelungelo abakhulu ilaba government thina wento ezithi ayibhaliwe phansi sohlezi nje kudlalwa ngazo kanje kudlalwa ngamabheshu umuntu asho ungizwe mina ukuthi ngiyamsupport ukuthi ena ukhulume ngambi kodwa ipoint ebelivilipi akahlali pointini so uyeke umthetho silungise inkinga singadebate kusasa sikhuluma into eyodwa ukuthi okay imvunulo siyayeka kuya phambili senza njani ke manje bese siyabonisana lapho kudlule ngoba vele nikhona siyanazi
ngibingelele igama nguthabiso wakaMarela Programs Manager kaTranssoap waphinda abe unobhala we-LGBTQI kwi-civil society la eThekwini. Mina ngizocela nje ukuthi angazi noma uba ungizwa ngakwazi ukuthi uyayiparachute le yami impendulo athi ukuyibeka ngaphezulu mhlawumbe aqale ngakuyona. Eyami izoba simple kakhulu. Uma le imvunulo lesikhalela kangaka sithi akumelanga yona ngabe yayigqokwe labantu ababeshada ngalolu suku itholakala kanjani pho esitolo yona because abazakhilanga le mvunulo ikhona somewhere iyadayiswa because nami ngingavuka kusasa ngiyoyithenga and it's there uma kuyi isho lukhulu kangako ngingaphandle ukufaka indelelo angifaka indelelo kule nkulumo kodwa why iba sesitolo esithize why itholakala lapha because phela manje fanele masifundisa sambe siyofundisa kwalo oyenzile lo mvunulo u1 u2 sengiqeda u2 wami uzoba sekuthenini mnumzana ungizwe kwakufanele kwasekuqaleni mawubeka ubeke ngemfundo ungabeki usuze udonse nabanye udonse icommunity yonke umphakathi wonke makone labantu ababili beka labantu ababili ukuthi bebe wrong ukuthi beqoke le mvunulo ikanje kanje usiphe isifundo kuyo through lokho ungathi lo nalo uzudonsa umuntu ngegama mhlawumbe ngizobe ngathi ngiyamkhulumela ngoba nakho wakubonga kama uzumbeke nje ukuthi wakamhlonga hayi akahambi no lokho ke kwase ku wrong and ku wrong nje akuthetheleleki ngokwami
mhlambe ke sibuke sithatha intambo lapha umlingane uMini sibuye size ngapha ngaphezulu ukuze sitholeke ithuba lokuthi siphendule lembuzo nanokuthi baphefumule ama panelists also with proposed solutions kubalekile ukuthi sihloniphe nawo emfoka baba mawuthi siqale ngalo wakho ngoba I think wona uzoguide ne tone ukuphendule imibuzo elandelayo ngizwe i-concern engula uniseka nongabona ondelele ngemvunulo ukuthi le mvunulo ifanele sigaba kwenze njani laba ababili abishadiselana sinento engaphatheki abona bazwa sekhaleni Number two, kulana zonke lezi igaba le imvunulo is reserved for royalty. Le is reserved for umuntu wesilisa oseganiwe. Le is njalo. Uthi ke mfowethu laba abasemthethweni laba abashewe ingoba bafake eyamakhosana. Sase sibuye ekutheni laba abaphila ngokufanayo bafanele bafake wathi wena cha akwani kufanele indlela ethile ezodenota isigaba sabo ukuthi baqhubeke bayenze. Sase sithi ke manje ke le etholakalayo bafundiseka nini labantu abaqhubisa ngayo lemvunulo ngoba ibona ngo abantu abagcina benze lesisiso ngamazwi wakho isifiso sesenzekile laba babili bebeshada ngoba lemvunulo access bayithola kulaba abaqashisa ngakhona thini wakuphefumula ke president
ngane yawethu ngicela lapha Beyonce ngane yakwethu unjani awu siyabonga kakhulu ngaze ngajabula ukubona I miss you yeah okubalekile la ngicela nje ukuqala ngesigabeni sokuqala nje ukukhala imbili bese ngiphendula nangomfowethu esokuqala ukuthi asivume ngithi ngifuna ukuhlala la egabeni la sisakho sokuthi mfowethu uthi ngenze ukuthi bebengona amaZulu asivume ukuthi Zulu nation is Zulu kingdom and a Zulu traditional attire is the most loved in Africa. And we are the powerful kingdom, and we are the role model, and we are more attractive in most tribes and other international countries. There's nothing wrong about that when people embrace and love our culture, love our traditional attire, even including our dance. Now including amabhinqa style imvunulo ingezo yethu so ukusho ukuthi vele thina nje singabantu befashion kusukela kudala nje look at investment ka 1 billion eyenziwe kuishaka ilab that shows the power of Zulu nation and the Zulu kingdom. So we appreciate all of that. How many tribes that are here in South Africa, and despite being the majority, we are the role model. We are the most respecting, humble, cultural, forceful nation. Into eyenzakalayo ke lana kodwa asibhedelwa. Into eyenzakalayo ke la ekuthenini ke izinto zethu ngokungavikele kwazo sirelaye ngisho umlando wethu urelaye kakhulu ezimbongini nakubathwa ababeqophe ematsheni kudala izinto eziningi was never documented. Yingakho mina ngiphoxeka mangifika la ngibona kukhona ioffice lenkantolo ngibona kukhona isikole se-LGBT blah 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 plus yabo esikhulu manje ngifakwa kwamanye amaklasi emveni kwalokho iphuzu lilodwa ngapha ukuthi uyabheda ithoni kwasho kwacima alinakwa le okuyilona le umbrella nokuyilona lona esihlangene ngalo. Okwesibili irespect it goes a long way. For an example yabona uthinta indaba ebalekele sensitive ngicela ukuthi ngiyithinte mfowethu le yakwaShembe ngoba umama lapha uyaphaphela uphaphazile lapha lapha uShembe wafika la wacompose phekwe intaba ehlangakazi yabona wacompose imvunulo yakhe mobuka imvunulo yakwaShembe unique wayicomposer from the scratch indlela yokuthandaza nendlela okuyiyona yona yabona kuyi insult kumuntu oyinazaretha mawuthi indoda yakho ligqoka iskate yabona mawubuka lapha go Germany nako Scotland yabona indlela abalukhuja ngayo namakhomanga is a designer of a certain religion, certain culture or lukujaneni kwayona imvunulo yethu ibuka idlaka uzothini la udidla iskate yabona is a compose yani imvunulo. So manje mayizoqhamuka yena eqhambuka ethi kunamadoda awashemba agqoka izikate leyo nto lengaka yimele ndoba ngumtshela nje ukuthi ke driza lapho. And then okwesibili bese sithi ukungavikele kwethu nokungafundiseki ngokosiko inkinga abantu bafunda nini abantu bebhizi kangaka abantu bejahe kube huphu nogosha kagesi bejahe impilo abangayazi abantu abasekho willing abantu they are too oppressed and stressed yabona. So into enzakalayo la is simple mfowethu kulombuzo athi ubuza ibalekile lento ziningi izinto ezidayisa esitolo ongeke uthi usebenzisa amandla emali ukuthi uzoba nazo ngoba nakufuna ukuyiprove wona ukuthi awuloko ungenza noma yini. You have limits yabona irespect iyodwa ibalekile ngeke mina ngithi ngoba mina umuzi lo uthengwe yimina ngemali yami la bese ngithi ubaba uzohlala phansi mina ngihlale esihlalweni ngoba yimina enginamandla ukuthi uyangizala irespect for an example lapha kwaMayimayi njoba bese besizakele nje bethi uvinjiwe kwasho wacima into eyenzakalayo awume conductor wekhwaya singama professional la khululeka conductor wekhwaya for an example eThumbeza nani bahlonishwa abameli uyabona ngihambe lapha thina siyo demonstrate ukuthi kahle ithina abanikazi bayivunulo siyacela ukuthi lisihloniphe finish and then igoal achievekile masifika lapha obaba sakhuluma futhi nabo ngerespect uyayazi protocol ngiyayazi sakhuluma nabo senza yonke into masifika lapha kwaMayimayi obaba sibe novalo namaphoyisa emaningi emveni kwalokho bengazi uzokwenzakala insizwa nazo zishiselwa igazi zingabi futhi yangithi yabona safika elinye isiko elibaleke kunalo lonke futhi elifana nalo lokuhlonishwa komvunulo inhlonipho I have to go and bow baba bengikhulumile la bekusena ngikhuluma nabo asondela ke ndoda la sakusinankingi sebengishintshela ngoba sebebona lapha ngaphinde futhi ngezani na ngahlonipha in elder yabona ukube lapha thina besiye ngempi besongena ngempi lapha into enjani ngidovadova abantu abadala singena ngaphakathi siyokwenzani ngoba it was just a demonstration that this is where we belong. We are one nation, we are one people. Mabeza dadewethu nabafowethu hishi hihi abangene bethenge inyama sidanse nabo kube mnandi bayidlela inyama sibe isizwe sisodwa bawethu. For an example, mina I want to appreciate lo mhlaba lo in a certain way. For an example, mawuthi uyabuka kwa medicine the majority they are there. Legal, the majority are there. Sorry. Yeah, and then we show peace industry. We show peace industry as a whole. They are there. That's why they must not abuse the power. Mhlambe ngoba sikhona thina lapha umuntu oqhamuka nescript sakhe ikhona neparty yama-gays and lesbian lapho ngeke sikunikeze contract maye ngekho leyo party leyo nto leyo isiku-abuser i-access ne-abuse ilungu labanye abantu. For an example njengamanje asikhulumeni bakwethu ngokugcineka kwemvunulo nokubaluleka nokungeka kwakhona ngize ngenza isibonelo mina ngento yamaphoyisa ngathi mina awunalo ilungelo lokugqoka i-uniform yamaphoyisa ungelona iphoyisa noma ikanjani uhamba uyihliphisa and then bese kuzoba namasosha uma ngabe sizovumela thina imvunulo ukuthi kube umhlambi kazalo usile ngoba nako nithi ngizobayahlanya ngizwa kufanele bekhulu vele kufanele kube khona abantu abakhuzwa sebeyilungisela inkinga.
Mkhono asibambe lapho kancane ngizobuyela kuwena lapho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi imvunulo yama heterosexuals kuphela ama homosexuals awanalo igunya lokufaka imvunulo yesintu.
Ngithi mina umuntu wesilisa othandana nomuntu wesilisa akaphume kwimvunulo yakwaZulu finish ngimile lapho nje
lapho ngimile sizobuyela lapho ake sibuyele ku advocate kuqala
leyo ngeke ngipela lapho hawu yena abantu ngoba ngabantu ba-afforda
kulungile uthe inhlonipho izulu asithathe intambo sipho soku-advocate
Siyahlehla siyaphambili liqale lamukela ichunu lechaza indlela elizwe ngayo liphinde liyazizwa ichunu ukuthi hayi ngishenile ngakhala kwephukela angihoxise bengingaqonde lubi uma sekuvele buchithekile kubi ezweni ngendlela ehlongozwe ngalo likhala ichunu ngokuthi asifocusile entweni ebelikhala ngayo sizofocusa kuyimpela chunu ngizothi mina kwichunu njengamanje your best bet, because uyi public figure, get yourself a legal advisor ezohamba nawe kuzo zonke inkulumo zakho ziqoshwe ngoba into yokuthi sikhulume sihliphize ngisho umkhasibe bazobe bekhona ukuthi baphushe izinto zihambe ziye equality court, maybe take it to even one of the highest courts la bazobe khona umkhasibe bazobe khona umthembu advocate ubani
mina
akekho umuntu ongena ungangiphikisa ichunu sengibe manje iminyaka yosikhombisa ngiyakwazi ukuhlonipha umuntu ngiyacela nechunu lengihloniphe
yethume
awukwazi ukuthi ungacindezela ukhethe igroup eyodwa yabantu uthi abakwazi ukugqoka imvunulo yamakhosi eqaleni usho njalo uthi awufuni le yamakhosi usuwenza lento ekuthiwe esingisini uyayicontradicta ke manje usudweba omunye ulayini usuthi wena nje othi uhomosexual angayithinta imvunulo yakaZulu isiphinda ke sithi ngiyibuyisela emthethweni ngoba mina angizange kuzogxeka la mina ngizotshela ichunu ukuthi wechunu noma ngabe kukhona indlela izinto ofuna ukuyiqondisa la eSouth Africa indlela yokuyilungisa la esingekho emhlabeni wehlathi la singarulwa zinkantolo zehlathi la singarulwa iParliament lehlathi la sirulwa khona imithetho ngithi mina ichunu alibize yona into njengale etafuleni elizobe li private the issues out ukuthi kungani sifuna ukupreserve qala nje ibiza abasebukhosini sizokuthi sithini silo uthini uMisuzulu Nkosi uMisuzulu ngalokho kubhekwe emuva kuhlalwe phansi babizwe ama groups ahlukahlukene ngoba imvunulo ayigqokwa abakwa LGBTQIA+ phela khumbula ukuthi silanje kubhizi kukhulunywa ngalento okhala ngayo ukuthi lokuqhakambiswe yona uthinta igroup eyodwa wathinta igroup elweliwe emthethweni so angeke ihlali ingalokho iveli ngithi sibize sikuhlalele phansi sikuphenyele ngoba awukwazi ukwenza izinto ngaphandle kokugayidwa umthetho nakho.
It seems as if advocates say figure with two solutions. Let's document and two roundtable discussions, including abomthetho, amakhosi, leaders of communities. Ngicela senze kanje. I want to cross over to umlingani wami lapha ezansi. Selbing ngibone ushake ikhanda ngenkathi umchune ethi no abanga ayingaqokwe LGBTQI+ phela.
Yes, ngifuna ukuya lapho. Okay, so ngizwe uthi ayingaqokwe LGBTQI+ kuphela, right? So is it okay ukuthi yona LGBTQI+ ingayigqoki but abadlwenguli abahlukumezi abashaya abantu besifazane abangahloniphi omama heterosexual bona beyigqoka uZulu uzokuthanda lokho uzokujabulela lokho?
Murderers, abusers, can they wear the regalia?
Ikho lokho ukuthi nithatha udaka oludala nina abuxoveka indawo zonke inkinga eziningi ngithe mina amaphutha awafani la sikhuluma ngemvunulo ebigqokwe indoda nendoda beqabulana belulaza ingubo yethu ukuthandaza finish ilokho mina ngokukhulumayo
ingakho ngisho ukuthi ngabe uthi ke ngoba wena uthena ama homosexuals angangayifaki uchaza ukuthi abantu abawu2 abathanda nobulili obufanayo abangayifaki but it's okay for a rapist ukuthi
ayifake umbizi
angibazi phela angibazi ukuthi uzobaphetha kanjani
lana yabona lana sizokhuluma sibe ngathi ingqondo zethu ayibambi kahle masokhuluma ngalokho ngoba njengamanje asimazo owenza imeda phakathi kwalabo abantu abalana ngithi yabona asimazo
so that is why we are saying it's unfair for you. That is why we saying it's unfair if wena uzothi uzo single out just one group uthi homosexual so uchaza ukuthi ama homosexuals are much more worse than the rapists
obsession ngemvulolweni yini
and
Okay, no, it's fine. I think this catches allocates when sesiphelile. But inkulumo isaningi kakhulu. I think ngiya understand because nami bengomunye wabantu abathi ake sikiyeke lokho ukuthi ubani utheni ukhulume kabi kanjani ngoba use acknowledgeile wathi lokho uyakubona obenziwe ulaka and the passion and was triggered and he acknowledges that there was a mistake. So we can then pack and move forward. But also, the reason why we're here, lembizi ihlangene ngoba izodingida rather udaba lemvunulo kanye ne-LGBTQI+ community. So njoba sesikhulumile ukuthi ne usethi nangu umfowethu wakwamhlongo lapha ya. Iphutha isiphosiso sibe kulolu hlobo lemvunulo ebifakwe labafowethu bekade bekanselana noma isiphosiso sekutheni abantu abathanda ubulili obufanayo akumele bayifake ngoba lokho kubuyeka njengokucwasa ubese phendula ke ungizwe wathi cha abantu abathi abaphila ngokuthanda ubulili obufanayo akumele bayilokothi imvunulo kaZulu kumele baqhamuke neindlela zabo zokwenza eyabo imvunulo ekhombisa ukuthi lo okaZulu kodwa ungulolu hlobo. I think uSibo Khumalo oqhamuka lapha khona ka LGBTQI community health center, correct? Ubekhala ngokuthi umZulu ngokuphelele uzalwa indoda nomfazi waKhumalo. UNgikhumalo naye uyisintu umZulu. Ama pronouns akhe athi he she. Uyintsizwa engakaganwa. Ngaleyo ndlela uyofaka imvunulo kaZulu ekhombisa ubuntunga bakhe ehambisana nesigaba kusona sensizwa engakathathi kodwa esiyindoda. mhlambe angasifaki isicoco mhlawumbe angafaki mhlambe imbatha elithile njalo njalo kepha yena sase sibuza ukuthi laba abanye abama pronounce ahlukene labanye abama letters ahlukahlukene benze njani wasethi isigqibo sakhe cha labo bayothi umuntu nomuzwa womuntu wesifazane uzwe ngathi uyintombi uyofaka yomntombi I think la uadvocate athe khona we need more forums where we will sit discuss document sibe sisashicilela bese kulonto izosisebenza as a guide and a map moving forward. I think that is where we are. And I think again tempers are flaring up because first we discuss, disagree, agree, and then pack it away and then move forward. If we send a law, loku kufakela inselelo uhulumeni ukuthi cha ngoba nali ichunu likhuluma kanje akakamxhaseke uyichunu kubo yena ozohamba elanda ababhali elanda imbongi elanda nenyosi elanda consultant ne royalty abameli njalo njalo ukuze lento document ekiwe phambili okwamanje la sikhona la sifuna ukwazi lokho ukuthi njengamanje le amvunulo kube yiphutha ngiphinde ngithi mina Macingwane nami ngiyosinelwa ngangifakele yamvunulo ngiyiqashile ngoba ngiyibona inhle nami ngifuna ukubukeka njengenkosi uDingana ngase ngayifaka ngayithebula ngoba kube ngiyixoke phela ngoba ngizobonakala kusasa amakuphuma le nkulumo eqoshiwe isibonakala nami ngiyivunule le
kodwa yususa ngomsindo
phela ile ngiyakhona uthi ngoba sesithi le nto uthi yalulaza ilulaza ngoba ifakwe ilaba abale community labantu balulaza na bayichilo kuthina by their existence if they're willing to participate in cultural things sibabeka amabala iloko ebengifuna ukwazi
ngicela nje usahamba lapho ngifuna ukubuza kuyichunu before ngiphinde ngibuyele kubhuti lo okade ephendula lapho uthi Yesu yamsupport ake sithi as LGBTI siyavuma le yamvunulo igqokeke ngephutha sifuna ukuza ubaba ngizwe ukuthi uyavuma yini yena ukuthi amagama akhe alumele akhoze idamage because we want a solution moving forward before ngiqhubeke ungizwe okubaba umchunu opresident wamabhinci uyavuma yini yena elakhi iphutha lokuthi ngenza iphutha la ngakhuluma kanje ngoba sekukhozeka idamage kanje mina bengifuna ukuthi nginifundise la njengoba advocacy session njengoba usho ngihamba lapho
ngicela ukuyidlulisela kuwena Macingwane
ngithi ngaliza kwethu la ngiyabuyela kuleli lokufocus hayi ukuthi asinayo indlela yokuyifikela no dadewethu ngale wezomthetho uyazi ukuthi imithetho ikhona kodwa abantu bayagcwala itrati masifanele begcwala itrati and futhi izwakala ilanga labo ukuthi lizwakale kanjani kodwa lizwakale manga uhulumeni esenza into engalungile masingahlezi sigijima nama constitution usuku nosuku impilo ngeke isibe impilo kodwa futhi akubalekile futhi umthetho osekele uhlonishwe ngoba sokuhlangana amadoda athiza avumelana ukuthi akube njalo emvana kwalokho bese kuzothi for an example na umunye umthetho oqhamukile ukuthi kuphasiswe ukuthi sengathatha isibongo somkami mina ngibe wakwamfazi leyo nto leyo isilo siyimemezele ngokusemthethweni emhlangene ukuthi na sebethatha libongo zomkeni ningavumi mina ke ngiphakile ke leyo mpikithi mina uma abanye ama tribes evuma wona ukuthi hayi azoba wabafazi hayi abavuma kodwa umuntu omzulu akekho oyenza leyo nto oyothatha isibongo somfazi ngoba vele yona inhloso ukuthi kulandwe labo kufika labo bazoqhamuka sebehumqunu la bengase wona umchunu osho umchunu osho
after this development is there a follow-up question, a new line of questioning, or noma ngasewona umbuzo okuphawula ukunanela odabeni esikhuluma ngalo lemvunulo ukhona umunye phakathi kwethu officer okay
I just have one question, Sanboni Gamo Ayanda. Umbuzo that I would like to ask uMaqengwane and then also ask advocate ukuthi Maqengwane and nawe Bhuti, is uZulu open to having discussions azobheka ukuthi sesila because ngiyacanga ukuthi nayo uZulu has evolved. Uzulu, we're coming from Uzulu that was not wearing shoes, but then today we wear shoes. We're coming from Uzulu that was not wearing anything underneath ibe shukoda manje siyagqoka and all of that. Meaning ukuthi as isikhathi sihamba, we are evolving with isikhathi kodwa kukhona labo abakhona abama custodians osikompilo abazo ensure ukuthi asiphumi eceleni. But is uZulu because yes kungaphuma izwi from ubaba wethu ezisilo samaZulu ukuthi akwenze kanje kodwa uZulu ophila nabantu on the ground ibona uMaqengwane inani body. Is uZulu open to now sitting down babuka ukuthi nakho sesinalokho ke manje sinabantu that ekumele ukuthi sibamamukele within our community, then ke bona isigaba sabo mekuthiwa kukhona into efuneke yenzakale ikuphe kufuneke bakwenze kuze bangaphumi esandleni bangaphumi from usikompilo olwasekhaya, because njengoba usiboyeshile ukuthi owakakhumalo uzalwe umZulu angeke akwazi ukuthi ayishintshe ubiyena which is ukuthi umZulu abe enye into. That is just a question ekuzomela ukuthi mengabe kuthiwa Maqengwane you are having discussions bonakala ukuthi okay, or even to because you do have got a platform endlunkulu, but I would have loved to have even to engage the House of Traditional Leaders ukuze nabo bahlale bayidingide lolu dawa, because abantu from the LGBTQI+A community bakhona siphila nabo and bazalwa ithina ngesizulu nje esiqojeni ukuthiwa baphuma kephi engengize ngisho. So ke angeke uze uthi umZulu uzale umntwana mengabe ekhula ayibone ukuthi anginawo lama feelings at the age of 14 kufuneka ngabe ngiba nawo for intombazane kodwa nginawo for umfana. Now asikwazi ke ukuthi sithi into umuntu adalwe na, because being gay or lesbian it is not a choice, but then people are born like that. Abantu bazalwe bekanjalo. Is it ikhona yini platform uZulu abonayo ukuthi singakwazi ukuthi sivule kuze nawo bezofila welcome, because we come very far as South Africa in terms of segregation. And then ke President Thabo Mbeki wawuvula umthetho ukuthi now they are legally allowed to get married to one another. Umthetho uyasivumela kodwa asisho ukuthi umthetho is above usikompilo, but then futhi asisho ukuthi usikompilo lu above umthetho. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyakunotha mfaka baba emva cha ngicela yebo bese ngibuyela kuwena for a direct response. Ngisibonge mama. Ngicela uqale ngokuthi uzethule if you represent an organization usho ngabe yipi bese usipha ke okwakho Paula.
Igama uNonhlanhla wakamkhize olwela amalungelo omphakathi ngokwahlukahlukana kwawo la eSouth Africa. Asibonge ithuba okwami nje ku2 kuphela. Okokuqala, and I think ngifuna ukuphinde ngithi ukuqhakambisa nje inkulumo kancanyana mesikhuluma because sibesithi uThabo Mbeki uvule iCountry insofar as same sex marriages. Kuthathe between 2004 to 2006 mabi iParliament liwushicilela lo mthetho ukuthi thina njengomphakathi sanikezwe ithuba ngokwahlukahlukana kwethu nezigaba zethu ukuthi sixoxisane ngokushadana kwabantu bobulili obufanayo. And mabe siyenza lenkulumo lengxoxiswano safika endabeni zokulobolana nezokushadisana. Mhlambe ke iphuthe elenze ukuthi azange sifike endaba ze-expression zokuthi siqoka kanjani ke masekwenzeka. But even if that's the case, I think ifanele sibuyele emuva sivume futhi iphuthe elenzekile la ukuthi ke sibabonile abantu base-China, sababona abantu abama-Japanese, sababona abantu ababelungu, sababona abantu abamandini athi meshada nosisi wangala ngakuthina umuntu omnyama obuZulu umbone sefake lemvunulo but akuzange kube khona umsindo njengalosu uqhamukile njengamanje so which means basically abantu abatargetiwe njengamanje yilaba abathanda nobulili ofana nobaba noma LGBTI. Having said that ngifuna ukubuyela eqinweni ngithi ke then are you willing to take responsibility for ama actions akho ngobani enkulumeni yakho yenzile out of anger very understood but isipikise la sesineyingane abantu abadala nemphakathi njengamanje.
Ngiyacela nakhona ukuthi sila sibe nalowo muzwa wa advocate Mkhasiwe wokufundisana wokubuyisana kanye nokwakha. Lokho sikwenza ngani? Asikwenzi ngepolitics of impossible demands. Sikwenza with lento yokuthi one ikhono li acceptile in his outrage. He may have made some wrong pronouncements. Number two, advocate Mkhasiwe wakhuluma ukuthi this now sparks indlela entsha elidela ekwazini kangcono ekufundisaneni nasekuqondaneni kangcono. Umfowethu lo engibuyisela kuyena uthe uqhamuka enkandla uthe yena ubaba uyachikila akuphosele nale umethetha awubuyi ukuthi baba khathi ngenza isiphosiso uthe nginja wangibiza ngomnqolo sefana ngibuye ngizokhuluma leyo nto mhlawumbe into yakaZulu mhlawumbe leyo ngiyamuzwa naye sonke siyezwana kepha inkinga la asivumelani ungavumelani nakho kuvumelekile and many things can be right at the same time Macingwane. It's not only a law of absolutes. Kuyenzeka kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi izinto eziningi zibe right kanye kanye bese kuba khona le ekhuluma ngokuthi inselelo ibuyela ku LGBTQI+ community to then say this is what we wish for all of these alphabets, for all of these people that subscribe to these pronouns to have a right to be able to express themselves ngesintu sabo nangezivatho zesintu sabo, notwithstanding ezinye zalezivatho ukuthi they reserved for royalty or kunemthetho nembandela namathize ahambisana nezevatho ezikanje. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi khuluma ngazwile inyama sikhuluma kanjalo. Anduba ngibuyele kuwena ngicela ukunikeza ngoba I think umbuzo kaAyanda ube ubhekise straight kubaba kanye nobaba lo uMacingwane. So ngizocela futhi uphefumule bese siyayisonga le nkulumo yethu ngo advocate Mkhasiwe.
Ngiphinde ngibingelele uhlaba wokugcina. Uma ngabe sikhuluma isiZulu thina amabhinqa kuthiwa asitole kwisiZulu. Uma ngabe ngithi ayidwe ngamalongo ngeke umuntu angangizwa umuntu ngene umZulu kodwa omZulu uzongizwa uma ngithi mina bengise point elithi usuyabona namohla ukuthi ebesi lo muntu sengakuyeka kongemva ngoba naye bekhuluma ngovele funa alwele into yakhe ebelwa mawulwa awazi ukuthi hayi uzoshaya lapha ehlathini kuphela yabona neqolo lishaya iqolo
asibambe lapho ngiyathemba akekho engimshiya ngaphandle kukhona ofisa ukuphefumula anduba nginikeza ama-panelists ami to wrap up because now we're going for a wrap. I acknowledge you, ma'am. Is there anyone else ofisa ukuphawula ngalolu daba ngoba siyaqopha sizivulelwe isikhathi sokuqopha kukhona ofisa ukukhuluma? Okay, ngiyivala ke 1 2 I have space for one more. That is it. Kulungile 1 2 3 bese ngibuyela kuma panelists ami ngiyabonga kakhulu. Uzosithula igama if khona organization representayo usho.
All right. Igama ngusazwa kaJali. Ngiqhamuka kwi-organization ekuthiwa Transhope, which is the translate organization within the province of KwaZulu-Natal. Mina my question is not even a question. Ngibuyela kumbuzo ubekile babhlophe ukuthi inkinga la ikephi. Inkinga was about two men who were getting married, or it's about imvunulo yamakhosi, because layo part akakaze iphendule ubaba uMchunu because isiyenze yonke lento le namhlanje besingashongo ukuthi sokhuluma mhlawumbe ngamalungelo ethu or ngezinye izinto but sokhuluma ngokuthi inkinga mikephi but namanje ayikuveli hence you have said ukuthi khathi uganelwa ushadelwa wawuyigqokile nawo but akaze kwaba khona so inkinga isekuthenini owesilisa othanda nowesilisa akumele igqoke and then also if you are saying that you are saying ukuthi shuthi umuntu wesilisa othanda nomunye umuntu wesilisa akasayona yini indoda because that makes it usuyamthuka lo muntu shuthi usuthi umehlisa isigaba because uthe imvunulo inegaba negaba so if enesigaba sokuthi uyindoda unalo ilungelo lokuthi egqoke lo mvunulo ngiyabonga.
ngiyabingelela ngumuzi mina ngwakwamagwaza le obo wasawabiyela cha inkulumo iyodwa singawudukisa umkhondo bafowethu umntwana uyichunu likhonjwe isilo indlula mithi kaZulu ubheke isihlalo ukuthi izinto zakwaZulu ziyenzeka yini ngoba umacingwane konke bekusho kuhla ngikuzwa la ngizwa nje kukhulunywa lokhu kwenhlamba into engathi ishu ngoba imali nje fusekwana ushuthi sezohamba yoboshwa obichuni yona indlela elikhuluma ngayo uyabo into la engicabanga ukuthi umthetho nobani uyizelela ukuthi lithini ichunu liyachaza ukuthi sibheke isihlalo ukuthi uthinte imvunulo kaZulu ikhona lokhu okwenza ukuthi kube nomsindo ongaka owenzeke kanje ngibeke nje ulo usamke hello usamke ngihlale naye kwaji iminyaka asikaze simenzele utho nangu uzophika mayiphika ngihlale naye iminyaka kwajilo usamke sikhule naye kahle uyabo kodwa akaze kubekho ukucwasana bekunaye enje hayi ukuthi ushintshe izolo enje uyabo kodwa kukho konke lokho besibemukela iphutha linye esifela kulo ukuthi abangadlali ngemvunulo kaZulu ichunu lichazile kwezinye zezinkulumo lithi laba bantu banalo kushiya club abaqophile yini bengaqophi imvunulo yabo beyimele ngoba nabo bayisizwe esiyimele ngokuthi ke uadvocate uyachaza ukuthi ezinye izinto zakwaZulu ayilontshiwe phansi asinazi indawo zokulontsha asazi kulontshwa kanjani uyabo kuba nenkinga nje eziningi kodwa esikufuna ukuthi nathi isithunzi sethu sihlonipheke njengoZulu lokho siyakufuna lokho asikungabazi lokho yikho kuze kube ngathi mhlambe kuba nalenkinga le efuna ukwenzakala kodwa asisihloniphe isithunzi sakwaZulu imithetho siyayazi umthetho ukhandwa ngoba vele sekunomonakala ngiyacabanga ukuthi selfie kuzothi mase kunje bese niyilungisa ke lonto ukuthi umthetho ungene ngendlela.
Okay, uthe 2 number 3 Thumbeza 3 where was your third one right here usuyaphinda
ngiphinde ngibingelele ngizocela mina ukuthi mhlambe kuzoba kufishane kakhulu okwami kuzoba umbuzo nje ozoya lapha kumacingwane othi macingwane la uyazwakala usho ukuthi indlela wabeka ngayo kwaba kubi noma kwalumela kepha umbuzo wami mina usuya la ekuthenini mase uwahoxisa amagama akho uzowahoxisa la ukuthi nasisodwa sibancane kangaka noma uzowahoxisa kule inkundleni zokuxhumana la ubuneyinkulungwane zabantu khona abalalele nakhona futhi usho ukuthi mawuhoxisa ngokuthi into okokuqala lokho sengivala nje ngompoint amajolo bamabili esikhathi esiningi sengivala nje macingwane bengizocela ukuthi macingwane uthi mawusuhoxisa uphinde uhoxise nasensizweni lezi obuhamba nazo niphethe izikhali nibonakala niyakhona nihlabele
uyagula wena
mangigula nawe siyalingana ngokugula siyalingana ngokugula soningana
ufuna mina ngizobitaka ngathi ngiyisele la uzobona ukuthi ngiyena kunje
macingwane lokho ngokwakho ungakwenza nje ngesikhathi sakho uthanda ukwenza angizukuba kulo level yakho angizukwehla nje ngifike kulo level yakho kodwa engicelayo ukuthi insizweni obuhambisana nazo nihambe
ubukuphi
bengikhona kwamanye
ngihambe yabogeza
cha Qunu leyo language zokuhlaba amacingwane mfowabo baba kulungile sibambeni ngoba le ngathi ifinda inyusimoya namaphaphu akasibambe kanjalo Abalulekile ukuthi once acknowledge ubasila inkosi yaselandeni inkulumo siyikophi nayo sasidlala saphinde sasabalalisa okungenzeka mhlawumbe besemotweni mhlawumbe ayizwa ona akaphila kodwa khona that izona ezibalulekile ezisikhathi masiqalisile besivula inkulumo zonke zathula inkulumo zabo kuningi bekade siphambene ngako masifika la kuningi futhi okunye ekungama gains ukuphindele emuva kuyasihlupha uyabona ngoba sesichaza manje ukuthi ne ungizwe kwamhlongo uke washo ukuthi uhambile beyonza i-demonstration ichaza ukuthi akusona ikhali leza zihambisana nokuhloba Melanzi lezi zinto eziphethe uphethe isikhwili uphethe zonke into eziphathayo ziyahambisana kanye nemvunulo kaZulu yalola I think uma ngosuthu thelezi ekhuluma ngekhali zendabuko echaza ukuthi le yanto ifana njengawe i-part of you uma ufakele yakho so angeke ngikuvume ngokuthi kade bethethe ikhali as though they were there or going there to incite violence or hate and so forth so angeke ngikuvume lokho there was a demonstration angeke lokho sikuthole ngenkulumo esibe nayo sonke la nithamele niyizwa okunye ke uma usuchaza ukuthi ne kufanele ungizwe aqale phansi aye oxolise lenkulumo soyisabalalisa vele so mekhulume la kuya ngokuthi inenkulumo ihamba izifike nawe ungakwazi uyisabalalise futhi kepha ngiyakuzwa lokho kushoyo ngale kwaloko ngiyacabanga ukuthi noma ubekade matanisa ukuxoshwa kwabantu emakhaya ekumatanisa nenkulumo yabo she can in her own platform qualify ukuthi this is as a direct result of lenkulumo and lenkulumo yenze ungizwe as a direct result this person was killed this person was chucked away from home this and the other so that at least we're just not talking emoyeni siyakhuluma kepha la zobuyisana and okwenze konke okwenzekalile ngiyacabanga ukuthi what fell in the blind spot was the severity of inkulumo ukulumela kwenkulumo kangizwe namazi awashilo ephelekezelela inkulumo kepha uSpo Khumalo oyena naye oyinxusa le community le LGBTI ushilo ukuthi cha isiphosiso uyasibona uma uthi isiphosiso uhlobo lemvunulo sase simfakele inselele ukuthi okay wena uhishi ubhuti umalume omkhulu kunegaba uyangena nje ubuhlungu okwenza nesithandwa sakho masehlwile akuhlangene nathi wena usawukhumalo uzofaka lemvunulo nje alikhi iphutha kepha nayi inselelo mase nibuyele emuva ake nilungise ama-alphabeti nilungise nayo yonke into ukuthi la kwenziwa njani la kwenziwa njani bese sisifundisa bese kube ngoba ninegunya eliphelele njengabantu nanuzulu nani ngoba siwuzulu nathi ngaleyo ndlela ke ileze inselelo wasethi advocate we should have more of these forums where we sit and talk whether through podcasts or podcasts or through programming yasemsakazweni or through imbizo ezenzeke enkundleni zokuxhumana where we talk about this thing and then engage all interested parties and persons of interest ngiyacabanga ukuthi lento le i-win thina sonke la abantu abashoyo ukuthi abantu abathanda ubulilo obufanayo kade babakhona siphila nabo emhlabeni babangani bethu bawodadewethu bawomakhelwane sonta nabo sisebenza nabo siphathisene life kuyathintana khona emvunulo so lemvunulo efuna siyidingide sinikeze isithunze esifanele so before ukukhuluma advocate singakwazi ukuthi ngibuze lo mbuzo guys which is the appropriate Zulu word that we can use umasakaza to refer to the LGBTI community.
That's a good question.
Isikhuluma ngesintu ngoba sibuzile and it's always a phrase abantu abathanda ubulili obufanayo, correct? But we don't have a word. Mina ngikhule ngazo isitabane igama ekubizwa ngalo umuntu who is a homosexual. Eligama but abantu balamanisa nenhlamba uma beliphimisa lagcina selilumela kwalona mina ngikhule ngazi ukuthi ungqengili igama elisabekayo eliyinhlamba esabekayo kodwa uma ufika kwezinye igodi bathi ungqengili iyona inkonkoni bengazi igama lezihloniphiso mina elikhuluma ngabantu abakanje ngazi ngesizulu nje uma ungafuna ukuthi sitabane uthi inkonkoni wenzela ukuhloniphisa ike lona igama elimbathile lelo kodwa masikhuluma ngethola izimpo eziningi ezihlukahlukene njengoba sikhona siphelele la bengicela nisilungise nisifake ujantshini ukuthi iliphi igama eli-appropriate that we can use because singebalulela inhlamba ngabalulela izulu nje ngabalulela elisihlonipho wathi wonke lamagama lawa awamukelekile iliphi mhlambe umuntu ngasingalisebenzisa
Mhlambe before
in literature kakhulukazi
ngifuna ukuqala la ekutheni size siqale silifuna igama ngiyazi ukuthi kunamagama esingenawo esiZulwini esiye siwabuke mangabe esingisini ngathi kungcono mase esiZulwini ayahlambalaza that's one but two engifuna ukuqale before ngiwuphendule lo mbuzo yokuthi ikuphi into yokuthi manifuna ukukhuluma ngosibo Khumalo mhlawumbe noma ngabe kephi noma ngabe uwena Felix ufike ekhaya uzongibona noma imini ebengifike kwakho ngizokubheka and then angikho mayisethu umkakho bekufika usibo oyistabane is not enough yini ukuthi athi usibo wakaKhumalo uyamazi usibo
ukukhuluma nakho lesidudla Felix
ngisalikanisa so kwezinye izinto lo isidudla yes
it's describing it kills the ambiguity Felix lo isidudla
mase sikulandela futhi ukuthi ngithi mase ngithi uFelix lo isidudla ngiyabona lo wesithembu
uqinisile obekufika ufona sebachune lo hlanyayo
ohlanyayo but angithi uyabona ukuthi ukuhlanya iyafana exactly njengokuthi mina if unonkiyakhe ezothi Sitabane noma uSamke or Sel Beyonce I don't feel offended but it's offending if ngizihambele emgaqweni ngiyothenga isinkwa athi umuntu Sitabane so bengifuna ukwenza le njengale ukuthi umchunu mangithi hayi umchunu ohlanyayo umchunu uyazazi ukuthi uyahlanya mhlambe vele ilevel ye friendship nani ukujwayelana kwami kukwenye level but angeke umchuna athe ihambela la iphume ulwethu
mase kuqalisile nami ngishazwana mina once wathi mafehlefehla sazwana
angithi uyayibona ke
usidudla they right
ezinye zamagama lezo ukuthi
mina nganikompozela kodwa nginikele isithusi
iliphi igama
mhlawumbe for now ake silisebenzise ngiyazi ukuthi siyasebenzisana nama university kwezolimo la sifunda the correct word noma singakalithola ake silisebenzise leli labo bulilo kwamanje obuthanana nobufanayo noma ngaba kusiyingxoxo angithi usazosilekelele ubaba umchunu ekulekeleleni ekutheni sithole into eyigama mhlambe esingalisebenzisa ngoba kwamanje asikwazi ukuthi ungichaze ngobumina
nelenkonkoni nalo seliyalumela manje
amagama nje ahlisa isithunzi kunamagama athi uma ulisho lehlisa isithunzi ngicabanga ukuthi uadvocate uzokusho lokho ngoba njoba ngisho ukuthi asibheke unkonkoni kuphela kunegama lomuntu wesifazane lichaza umuntu wesifazane but mawulisho exactly liyamehlisa isithunzi
ozele uwesimbela yamaningi namagama amaningi
angithi uyayibona zonke lezo kunamagama esingadingi ukuthi size sikubize ngoba siku identify ngendlela ethile kuyona kubalekile ukuthi sikhulume singalikhohlwa isithunzi sakho
ngoba vele usuphethe umbhobho ke ngicela ukukhulume
ukuvala kwami I think ukuvala kwami angiqale ngibonke ithuba ngicabanga ukuthi umlando lo umlando iGagasi FM umlando elikwaZulu Natal and engicabanga ukuthi nami report le ngiyibuyisela back kubantu engibaholayo kwiprovince yakwaZulu Natal ngoba ekutheni abanye bagcine ngokukhuluma lapha into yonakala but naseniba namandla ukuthi nisiqoqe sikwazi ukuzoba nengxoxo sifundisiwe ngiyayithanda lesisintu noma babungizwe ngathi singayigqoka imvunulo kodwa siyisintu singabantu sifundisiwe singabanye abantu abaphambukayo we learn from the mistakes but moving forward indlela esilungisa ngayo ukuthi isisa phambili so amagama ama-3 kuphela ngijwayele ukuwashiya irespect ngicabanga ukuthi ayangena eBhayibhelini ayangena kwabakholwa kunoma yiphi inkolo ayangena esintwini inhlonipho nobuntu yiloko kokuqala and then dignity isithunzi somuntu will always be i-priority kunoma yini esiyenzayo ukuthi uhamba kabuhlungu noma unebala elinjani noma uphila ngendlela ethile but isithunzi somuntu eSouth Africa siyahlonishwa eyesithathu-ke ilele le-quality kuyo yonke into esiyenzayo ukuze ibukeke ibe sezingeni eliphezulu quality usho into ezingeni eliphezulu asiwasebenzisa amathuba so that iso produce into eziphambili if ubona ukuthi kune mistake asiyisebenzise ngendlela ukuze sibe phezulu sibe ngabantu sisonke
advocate
Ngiyaxolisa sengicishe ngathi ukuhamba ngokomqondo. It's fine, I won't be long. Bottom line engizoyisho sihamba ngomthetho zonke izinto.
Yeah.
I-suggestion yokuthi akuhlalwe inhlaka zonke. Angibizela ama podcast kuphela Thumbeza ngiyafisa ukuthi correct. Ngibizela on the round table. Come, let's draft these
Yes.
white papers that will speak to documenting. Sinabantwana abasemavasithi abenza research. I'll give you example ngibheke chu. Ngizokunika isibonelo kwaBM Legal inhloso enkulu ukufundisa ngomthetho. And isizathu esenza ukuthi ngifundise ukukhuluma nje ukuthi nolapha emgaqweni nosemfundweni ephezulu angizwe. Number 2, ngiqalile ngibhala amabhuku nabantwana besikole. Ngifuna nje ukukunikeza isibonelo. In an attempt to educate ngezinkantolo ebengisebenza kuzo mina. Uzohlulwa yini ke wena ukuthi ubize uBM Legal, ubizelwe advocate, ubizelwe ammeli ebese ubiza zonke inhlaka. Kuqale kube kwenziwa iresearch chuno ayikho into ezothi mayiphambana nomthetho ingabi nemiphumela emibi. Asithi lokho kuthiwa ama consequences. Ihlezi khona. Ngiyazi njengamanje sebekubuzile ukuthi willing yini uxolisa. That's one of the consequences you might get under equality court. You can be then ordered wena ukuthi do a public apology, then embarrassing you in your view mhlambe ibe ihlazo kuwena ngenzela ukuthi picture ipendeke. Kanti ngale kwe equality court basangakuthatha iHuman Rights Commission yase South Africa ihambi yocela ukuthi uprosecute ndlela leyo efisa ukuthi isayithe ngayo. Uma bethi shushiso athi umshushisi ngiyayamkela, ngiyayishushisa, ngiyashushisa ichunu. Okhala amasongo asigonyela. Okwesithathu sinomthetho ovelo waphasiswa ngo2023. Silinda usuku ukuthi uphume. Lapho ke siyaqala sithi first offense sithi 3 years or a fine. 3 years direct imprisonment. Akudlalwa cuno. Emthethweni akuhlekwa akusiniswa amahlezi. We need to make certain ukuthi uma sizenza lezi zinto anangisho kuwe and I'm not attacking you cuno ngicazile le ndaba ekuqaleni. Asithi noma siyenza lento siyifundisa mina ngiyafisa ukwazi sengifisa ukwazi ngoba ngathi mangikhuliswa ngafaka isidwaba mhlambe ngangi wrong. Teach. Then allow the likes of us and the likes of those and the likes of those to put something on paper. Otherwise, ngeke izokhalela masanga kasigonyela egcineni. Noma uhlukane nempepha.
Put things on paper.
Siyabonga.
Cha, into engayisho ukuthi ngaphansi komthetho osekelo wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika konke kwamukelekile. I repeat myself. And ngeke mina ngiphenduke ngizotakazeka la njengesele ukuze kubonakala ukuthi mhlawumbe ku-expression yami there was exceeded limit. I've just said it, but I'm not backing down in terms of respecting imvunulo yethu ne-command that I'm putting in front ukuthi imvunulo yethu ayihlonishwe. No dadewethu or he she abayakwazi ukuthi nabo bayithatha isinqumo voluntary without ukunaka ukuthi umthetho uthini bekwazi ukuyihlonipha imvunulo yethu. Siyacela lokho. Buka nje ubufakazi bokuthi asinayo impi. Nabo bafowethu abangamabhinqa abazinsizwa zamasemakhaya zithi zingabangani no Selbeyons siyazwana nabo siyinto eyodwa. Impi ikhandwa yini ngeinkulumo zenu excitement yenu so nifuna ukuzoyiblema kungizwe umlando kwamculo ngeke iziyenzeke leyo nto leyo. Futhi okwesibili indaba yomthetho umthetho wale kubo kwawo nendlela yakho thina sifuna irespect la nathi sinomthetho okuyisiko kulungile kunjoba kunjalo lokho kodwa lokho kushoyo mina advocate ngiyakomukela ukhona nje angabe kusaba omunye umuntu ayihlangane ediphini uthi wena mchunu yehlisa alliance ukuthi nokuthi kanje kodwa mase ngaphika ngokuthi sisatshiswe ngomthetho shuthi izwe lifile awusala kodwa kumthetho ke sifeke thina noma siboshwe angiyindawo mina mfowamlando wasemachunwini angesabi futhi ngiyofa ngivikela into yakithi.
Umacingwane uthi akayindawo Felix. Asenzeni kanje if you only join
umuntu ozongibopha lakho umuntu ozongiphopha ukuthi
kulungile khona kulungile sesonga khona.
If you only joined us now and you're watching till the end, do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining us. We love you, we appreciate you. Spin a sibongeke. Ikhulumi zethu Sibokhumalo, Advocate Hlengiwe, and of course, Inkosi, Ilaphaya kaMhlongo, and ngikhohloba. Usibokhumalo ngiqale ngaya ngathi. Yes. Oh, Nongizwe Mchunu, right next to me. Felix, I'm going to allow you to do the official closing of today's discussion.
This is the first of many. This wraps up imbizo yodaba lwemvunulo kaZulu kanye la ne-LGBTQI community la kade bambene khona ngeyihluthu. Namhlanje ke siyakwazi ukuthi sikhulume sikhumela nomlotha sithelele namanzi bese si drafta i-way forward. Siphinde sibonga kakhulu kuyikhulumi zethu, sibonga kakhulu nakuyihlelo beyithamele lo hlelo lanamuhla. But I think especially we must thank Advocate Mkasive.
We have to.
Because I think she was able to draft a way forward. And also up in there, I was ukubamba itone engagement yethu namhlanje.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So ngaleso soka sakhe bengingazi ngokuthi singaphimba futhi uthi ungizwe umuntu esifazana akanaso isisoka. Usikhona isisoka cha uyiciko impela Mkhasibo siyathemba ukuthi uqhubekela phambili ulobe eziyincwadi sibonga kakhulu by offering a direction.
Absolutely.
Otherwise besonhlanhlatha sibhekele nale ukwazi ukuthi ayibamba isonde zethu sibonga kakhulu la kuyikhulumi zethu. That's how we wrap things up. Le nkulumo ke njengoba seshilo uMantuli subscribe,
Like
and
and share.
This is the uprising.